So you guys know masks? Yeah, these things that save your life almost every day. I mean, this is not a mask, but it's made from the same material. So, masks, they're not so fun. They're just plain, you get them in colors, or if you're rich enough, diamond studded ones, gold ones, or you might just get ones that have designs on it. But there's no real fun in them. So I thought, why not make masks fun? And fun in the sense, add tech to them. So at first I thought let's add RGB to them, but it turns out millions of people have already done it, so it's no point of me making that. So I thought, why not add speakers? This is ridiculous. So yeah, as usual, I started off by building a normal mask, and the main module right here, so it's powered by a 9-volt battery. So as you can see, there are actually two switches right here, and I connected a long wire. You'll get to know that later in the video. So the red one is to start the lighting, the RGB lighting, and the black one is to start the speaker. I mean, it won't work normally. You need to start the RGB and then the speaker. So that's how it basically works. And remember, this is not a Bluetooth speaker. This was one of the modules that I found in one of my brother's toys, so I thought it'd be cool to use it. So I couldn't actually find a Bluetooth speaker that is small enough with the speaker, a battery inside it, and the PCB. So I had to end up using these. And these two switches actually go into your pocket. That's why it has such a long wire. So now it's time to just build a normal mask. So now I actually finished the first layer. I know it looks horrible, but believe me, when the end results come out, it'll look way better. So here the lighting. So the lighting will come on this side and the speaker sound from this side. And the battery will attach here, like kind of near your chin area. I mean, obviously, I couldn't get it perfect, okay? Now I just need to put another layer on top of it. And then it's pretty much done. So it is done now finally. So now just let's check if it actually works. Okay. Okay, so now I want you guys, these are my friends, I want them to give a review of what product I make. Just hold this once. So you have to just think what I mean. Okay, what do you think about it? Don't come. Okay. Now you have to give your first impressions on how this looks.
Nice.
Now, okay. Now second one. What do you think about it?
Awesome. Excellent.
What do you think about it?
All in one.
What do you think about
Nice.
it?
Good.
What do you think about it?
Excellent, actually, too.
What do you think about it? He's my brother anyway. He already saw me building it. So yeah, just a short video, just a fun little video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And bye.